I'm Allison.
I'm Tori.
And this is our cell analogy project. We're relating the cell to Disneyland.
The cell membrane's function is to keep some stuff out and let some stuff in, just like the main gates and security booths at the entrances at Disneyland. The main gates to enter the park are where the visitors get their tickets checked and scanned. This is the cell membrane. And this is the security booths at Disneyland. The nucleus function is that it is the brain of the cell or the control center, which is similar to the castle. The castle is also like the nucleus because it is located in the middle of Disneyland. This is the nucleus, and this is the Disneyland castle. The endoplasmic reticulum. The job of the ER is transporting stuff from one part of the cell to another part of the cell. It is similar to the transportation in Disneyland, which is the monorail, the railroad, and the horse-drawn carriages because they transport the visitors around the park to different areas. This is the monorail. And this is the endoplasmic reticulum. The vacuole. The function of the vacuole is to store water and nutrients that the plant cell can use. It is similar to the snack stands in stores because they store the inventory they have of the items or food so that they can be sold in Disneyland. This is a snack shack in Disneyland. And this is a vacuole. The Golgi body's job is being the post office of the cell where it stores and sends the proteins out of the cell. It is similar to the mail system in Disneyland because just like the Golgi bodies, it stores and sends inventory and mails it to the people. This is the Disneyland mailbox. And this is a Golgi body.
The cytoplasm's job is to keep the cell in shape and keep it together. It is similar to the air and sidewalks because the air is throughout the park and the sidewalks split up the park into different areas. There is Main Street and the sidewalks, and that's the cytoplasm. The ribosomes are the protein factories where it gets info from the nucleus about what to make and when. It is similar to the cooks and chefs because they get information from the owner about what food to make and when to serve it. There are the chefs at Disneyland, and this is a ribosome. The job of the mitochondria is being the power source where it produces the energy the cell needs. It is similar to the visitors' money or the generators because the money helps the park to improve and the generators give the park energy to run. There's money. And that's the mitochondria. The cell wall. The function of the cell wall is to protect the cell and to support it. It is similar to the fence surrounding the park because the fence keeps intruders out so that the guests and workers stay safe. There's cell wall. And this is the fence around Disneyland. The chloroplasts are the solar panels of the cell where it creates energy using air and sunlight to give the plant cell energy. It is similar to the employees who sell the food to the visitors and some rides or areas that use solar panels to power up. there's the chloroplast. And here are some workers and actors at Disneyland. And that's it.